Some say the world runs on love, some say it runs on friendship. But when tested, I realized the world runs only on self-interest. Faith in Allah makes a person strong, while belief in anything other than Allah weakens a person. Present your weaknesses before your Lord with a sincere heart, and He will turn them into your strengths. Indeed, He is capable of all things. The pain of the two-nation theory. When a daughter falls ill, it hurts. But when a daughter-in-law falls ill, it becomes an excuse. The biggest mistake we make during conversations is that we don't listen to understand, but we listen to reply. Silence is the best answer to all questions, and a smile is the best reaction to every situation. If you keep your secrets locked in your heart, you will live in peace, and your secret will remain safe. A true person is a little emotional, but a hypocrite is not at all. Faith and modesty are like two birds. If one flies away, the other automatically follows. Do not search for someone's secret, and if you find it out, do not reveal it. The destination is Allah for everyone. Love, sorrow, and trials are part of the journey. Sometimes,